Welcome to today's video, where we're diving into the fascinating world of supply chain management in manufacturing. This topic affects all of us more than we might think. But don't worry, we're going to break it down into simple terms, making it accessible to everyone, from beginners to those who want a refresher. First, let's understand what a supply chain is. Think of it as a network that brings products from raw materials to your doorstep. In manufacturing, this chain includes everything from sourcing raw materials, production, transportation, distribution, and even product return. It's like a complex puzzle, and every piece needs to fit perfectly. Now, let's see how this works in a real-world example. Imagine a company that makes smartphones. It starts with raw materials like metals, plastics, and glass. These materials are transformed into smartphone components in factories. Then, the components come together in an assembly line. The finished phones are then distributed to retailers or directly to customers. And when the customer returns the phones for various reasons, the manufacturer then needs to get the product back on the shelf at a retailer or send it to back the factory for repair. For those just starting to explore supply chain management, here are some key tips. Understand your demand. Know what your customers want, how much they will ask for, and when they want it. Efficient sourcing. Choose reliable suppliers for your materials. And consider total cost. Sometimes lowest cost may not be the cheapest in the long run. Streamline production. Optimize your manufacturing process for speed and quality. Effective logistics. Ensure smooth transportation and distribution. And for those interested in the future of supply chain management, new technologies like AI, blockchain, and IoT are transforming the industry. Sustainability is a growing concern, leading to eco-friendly practices. So there you have it, a brief introduction to supply chain management in manufacturing. Whether you're a beginner or simply curious, understanding this topic is key in our interconnected world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Manufacturing Nerd YouTube channel for more content like this. And as always, leave your questions or suggestions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.